Hello everybody, I'm Tin. I'm from Choten Real Estate Company located in Ikebukuro, Tokyo. Today I would like to review an apartment near Sugamo Station. Only 1 minute walk to Sugamo Station on Yamate Line. It's very convenient for you to access anywhere in Tokyo. It's located in the center of Tokyo. And now I would like to review this is bathroom. And here's the toilet. It has space for put something here. It has mirror here. It has some process here. Here is the space for washing machine. We have door here, and we will go to the kitchen. Here is the kitchen. It has more one here. It's very nice. You can use the wash here. There's so many space for you to put something here. The room is about 25 square meter, and the rent is only 97,000 yen. Here's conditioner, and we have balcony here. It's quite large. You can go here to view the skies at night. How can you view the streets? Yeah. If you want more information, please contact us. Or if you want to find another house in Tokyo, or you want to have a moving service, or buy the second item such as refrigerator, washing machine, etc. You can contact us. The reviews today is come to an end now. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Tim. See you next time.